so here we go. I'm going to start it up. And I'm going to run over here. We'll get on the 5-gas here. Watch the numbers. Hit measure. So this is just a cold start, guys. No problems in the car. Probably do this for about, we're going to watch it for say 2 or 3 minutes. Sorry about my shaky hands. We'll wait till the numbers stabilize. Then I'm gonna start adding problems, and we're gonna watch how the values change. It seems to be stabilizing here. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to disable either a coil pack or an injector, and I'm going to be doing this with my scanner. I don't know if you guys can see. You can't see the screen at all, but that's a good thing. I guess you won't know what I'm doing. And we're going to watch the 5-gas numbers changed. Okay. Start. Oh. So now I've added a misfire. Let's watch how this changes now. You should be able to tell if this is a fuel misfire or a spark misfire. By the numbers, you'll see the difference. It seems to be stabilizing now. Okay, so now I'm going to take the misfire away. Alright, so now you're going to see it's going to get better. Everything's coming back to normal. You guys watch that. So everything's coming back to normal. Okay, now that the numbers are stabilized, everything's getting back to normal here. Okay, I'm going to stop the video 1 sec, guys. I have to manually either disable the injector or the coil pack because for one of those two functions, my scanner doesn't want to do it while the car's running. Give me 1 second.